So we will see first example of our Tkinter. So first fundamental thing is we have to import Tkinter. Okay. So from Tkinter import star, correct? Then we have to define our window. This is anything like it's a kind of variable. We can write whatever we wish to. Then we have to write tk, correct? And then this. It's a kind of initializer. So now whatever we have defined the variable window dot main loop. So what does main loop do? It is continuously displaying the window. So this is the basic window what we are getting through this code. So for creating any basic or any big application too, these three lines are very important. So we will see adding labels to the window. So for that, I'll be creating an object. We have a label class. I'll be passing our window, then say text for the label, maybe hello. I can write hello. Okay, so let's execute this and check if our label is visible. For label to be visible, we have to add pack. Okay, so now our label will be visible. Okay, so this is very small window, so we have to set the height and width of the window. So using geometry function we can do that. So window dot geometry, we can set the height and width. So width is say 350 and height is say for example 500, or a width also I'll be taking 450 and 500. We can change the height and width according to our requirements. As per we are going to add widgets, then also we can increase the height and width. So this is our form where we have placed a label, we have given it text hello. Okay, so let's give the title. So window dot title, say student information system. So we can see student information system, correct? So this was the title. Now we can see some properties of a label, correct? Like foreground color, background color. So for adding foreground color to a, we have to write foreground is equals to, say the label, I'll be changing its color to red. So you can see the color has been changed. We can change this foreground color red to HTML code also. Suppose if we want, so how to know the HTML color code? So this is the website htmlcolorcodes.com, from where we can refer. If I want some light color, some dark color, whatever color, say blue, some shade I want of blue, then we can do it from here. I'll be taking this and I'll be writing it here. I have to just add hash in front of it. Okay, so this was about foreground color, and we can add background color too. So let's add a background color. So background is equals to, maybe I'll say gray. Let's execute this. So the background is gray and it's blue. Okay. Maybe background I'll be writing say white. So if we don't want to write foreground, we can write FG. If we don't want to write background, we can write BG. That will also work. See, hash F is for white and it's visible, correct? So now I want to increase the font of hello, and I'll not be writing here hello, I'll be writing our header, say student information system, student information system. Okay, now I want to increase the font size. So what I have to do is I have to write font equals to, in double quote, I want to write say Arial black. Okay, and I want to increase the size by 50. So now let's execute this. So it's too big. So 50, I'll write then 15. So what I have to do is stop and rerun. Okay, so 15 is enough. 50 was too big actually. Okay, so this is our header of the GUI.